How to schedule background tasks into Django with APScheduler. Alright, first up, let us install a scheduler so we can start scheduling tasks into Django. Open your terminal and run this command pip install APScheduler. Cool. Now let us create a new app in Django called Scheduler. Type this command, python manage.startup scheduler. Nice job. Now let us add the scheduler to our Django settings. Add scheduler to the installed bar list inside settings.pa. Great. Let us now create the function we want to run on a schedule. Inside scheduler/tasks.buddy, write your task function. You can use your own or refer to my example. Now let us wire everything up by setting the scheduler inside the app configuration. Open scheduler/off.app and set up the schedule logic. Alright, time to test if it all works. Let us run the server and see what happens. Type this command python manage.run server, then check your output. Awesome! Here's why APScheduler is very useful in Django projects. It runs inside the Django, works across operating systems, is simpler than Celery, and keeps your background jobs running smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.